When we start to negotiate with the defense attorney, why is it that we no longer focus on who actually caused your injuries? You want to know why? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law in the state of New York. The moment we start to have settlement discussions, assuming it's only one doctor or one hospital or one driver or someone else that's just one or two people, we no longer focus on who actually caused or contributed to your injuries. You want to know why not? It's because now we're focused on damages. We're focused on compensating you for the injuries and the harms that you suffered. So now we're trying to establish what permanent long-term injury or disability you have. How much money have you lost as a result of these injuries? How long were you out of work? What expenses did you incur? What is your pain? What is the suffering that you've had to endure as a result of this person's carelessness, this person's wrongdoing? When we're having a settlement discussion, the focus shifts from who's actually responsible to, hey, by the way, here's how much we believe your case is worth. And now we have to go ahead and negotiate on the value of your injuries. Then it becomes a focused discussion only on the harms and losses that you've suffered. Now, obviously, if there's more than one person that you have sued who you believe caused you harm, now it's a question of what percentage is each person responsible for those injuries. And now we have a separate discussion on that issue. But the entire negotiation changes from who's responsible to how much money can we negotiate for you to compensate you for all the harms, for all the injuries, for all the suffering you've had to endure as a result of somebody else's carelessness. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on during these settlement discussions here in the state of New York, involving accident cases or medical malpractice or even wrongful death cases. You know, I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.